Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe. Today we will be looking at a pair of wireless earbuds from Oppo, the very new Oppo Enco X. And here is the review. Let me just start by saying that Oppo did send me this unit for a review and I have not been paid to say any bias points. This review is entirely based on my own opinions. Alright, out of the box, there are several things included. You get the earbuds in the case, you got documentation, 3 pairs of extra silicone ear tips, small, medium and large, and a USB-C charging cable. This is one of the few earbuds which I know that pairs on the case instead of the earbuds themselves. The only other earphones that I know is the Sony WF-1000XM3. If you know of any other earbuds that has similar pairing system that pairs to the case instead of the earbuds, do drop in the comment section down below. So pairing is very seamless. It took me like 5 seconds to get everything up and running. The pairing is done by just pushing this function button for about 2 seconds to put it on pairing mode and another 2 seconds to get it paired. I really love it when the pairing is a simple process that does not require the user wanting to hurl this out of the window. Because of all the frustrations. It does support Qi wireless charging, which is always great in my books. The build of the casing is not excellent. It's actually plastic all around, but what I appreciate is how slim it is. It is oval shaped, but it has 2 flat sides, which if you put inside your pocket, it does not stick out. We have seen the fat chunky casings of other brands, which can be embarrassing to put in your pockets, especially if you are a guy. The earbuds themselves, they look very AirPods-like. People might argue that they are a AirPods clone or ripoff, but on closer inspection, they actually look like what might happen if the AirPods were to marry the AirPods Pro. So the Enco X don't actually have an elongated stem, which qualifies them as an in-ear earphones. If you try to fit the tips into your ears, probably just a tenth of the tips gets into your ears because the housing sits at the area just before your ear canal. And I believe that area of your ear is called the concha. Even so, the stem is not long enough to have the tips really get into your ear canals. I tried all the ear tip sizes and the results are the same. So the fit might not be for everyone. I honestly do not like it. It is comfortable enough, but it is not snuggly enough for me. So just take note on that if you're purchasing this. Just a bit of info that DYNA Audio has a hand on the sound engineering of the earbuds. It is powered by Oppo's DBEE 3.0, which stands for Dynamic Balance Enhanced Engine. This is the fancy thing that makes the earbuds sound good. My initial impression when I first listened to a track using the Enco X is that it has a surprisingly wide soundstage. On further reading, I came to realize that it has dual driver designs, which might explain the wide soundstage. What are the two drivers? Number 1, 11mm dynamic driver and a 6mm balanced one. It just gives me this very good lasting impression, especially on the wide soundstage. It's something that I do not expect coming from wireless earbuds. The highs are nicely defined too, not overly sparkly or bright, just nicely tuned. The mids has this clear, warm profile which I enjoy. So listening to songs by Hold On by Amber Rubath or Wayfaring Strangers by the New Appalachians sounds surprisingly good. The low end is not too bad too. You can definitely hear the bass presence. It's not boomy, and for me, I feel that if it were to be tuned slightly a tad more, just a tad more on the low end, it could bring out a little bit more punch to the low end. But overall, it's a good sounding wireless earbuds and I've totally enjoyed the listening experience so far. These earbuds are also equipped with active noise cancelling. I have to say that the ANC is very solid. On my sessions listening to tracks or watching videos on my commute to work in buses or trains, they do a good job in blocking out external noise like engine rumbles or annoying drivers who thinks car horns are an actual form of car-to-car communication. And for those who are worried about them getting lost in the noise cancellation, you might be pleased to know that there is a transparency mode for you to still be able to hear what is going on around you. Alternatively, you can toggle the levels of the ANC from ANC off, transparency mode, ANC standard, and ANC max. There is also wear detection, so if you were to listen to your music and if to take one of the earbuds off, your music will pause automatically and it will resume when you put the buds back on into your ear canals. It's always nice to have that feature. The buds are rated as IP54, which means it is weatherproof. So take note that it is not fully waterproof, so don't go paddling your canoe with these things on. As soon as you download the app, alright, the app is available on only Android phones, but you can further customize the controls of the earbuds from the app, slide up and slide down on the microphone module to increase or decrease the volume, double tap on the left side to play or pause tracks or videos, triple tap either side to skip, repeat or go back to the previous track or video. Currently, the Oppo Enco X is priced only in the UK market at £169. That is equivalent to, I'll say, 315 Singapore dollars. You can either get the white variant or the black one. Now, before we end, I just want to do a call test and see if this is a good option for your virtual meetings use. So I'm going to power up, yet again, Microsoft Teams and let you decide if this is good enough for your virtual calls. This is a call quality test on the Oppo Enco X using Microsoft Teams. This is how you would sound like if you're using the Oppo Enco X in a virtual call using Microsoft Teams in a quiet environment. This is a call quality test using the Oppo Enco X in Microsoft Teams with two fans blowing directly into my face. And this is how you would sound like if you were to use the Oppo Enco X in a virtual call with two fans blowing into your face. And this is how you would sound like if you were to be using the Oppo Enco X in a virtual meeting in a noisy background, because I've got background video playing, there were voices all around. So this is how you would sound like in a noisy background if you were to be using the Oppo Enco X in a virtual call in a noisy environment. Overall, I think this is an excellent choice for a new wireless earbuds in 2021. I honestly do not expect Oppo to manufacture one this good. In my opinion, it hits all the criteria which I have set for a good pair of wireless earbuds. I dare say that this is an excellent alternative in the big leagues, comparing side by side with the big boys such as the AirPods Pro, the Sony WF-1000XM3, the Sennheiser Momentums, the Klipsch T52 McLaren, or the Bose's Quiet Comfort. Yep, truly impressive. Very good job Oppo for such sound engineering. Alright guys, if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to get notified on a future video that we might post. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.